dash of x is 0 for all x element of x, okay. Then fx will be constant. Yes. If let A and B are two element of x, okay, any element of, okay. That according to Rolle theorem, that will be, if A and B are two element of x with A is not equal to B, if A and B are two element of x that are not equal, they are a distinct point. According to according to mean value theorem, that is a differentiable and everything. Okay? According to there must be exist some point xi that will be true for this. Okay. If xi, if fb is not equal to fa, yes. Please. Thank you. दूसरी नहीं थी वो ऑफिस वाले? अच्छा. Okay. If fb is not equal to fa, okay, okay, sorry, but fxi is equal to 0 for, because condition was that x is f derivative is 0, so the fxi will be derivative will be a 0. Okay, so that will be a 0 because xi is between A and B. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, at least. and this will be a ए बी आर आर्बिट्रेरी पॉइंट, हमने कोई आर्बिट्रेरी पॉइंट लिए हैं, तो फॉर ऑल पॉइंट, फॉर ऑल ए बीज दे आर द सेम, तो इट मीन के दे आर अ कांस्टेंट. सो दैट्स द सिंपल प्रूफ. एंड क्या है, इफ एफ एक्स इक्वल टू जी एक्स, if fx derivative is a gx, then fx will be equal to gx plus c. C mean constant. If you are confusing with this c, then that hx is a new function that is different of fx gx. Okay, when we take the derivative, okay, this will be equal to 0. That will be equal to 0 because y that are ठीक है, बिकॉज हमने कहा कि दे आर इक्वल. फॉर ऑल एक्स किसके साथ, यहां कह रहे हो f equal to constant. Yes, you are right. The constant, if we subtract the constant plus the constant, मैं ये बाद में बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, so अभी ये कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, you are right, but you are right. यहाँ प्लस कर रहे हो तो वो वहाँ माइनस आ जाएगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू थ्योरम 1, according to theorem 1, hx will be constant. Theorem 1, if derivative is 0, the hx will be constant. This implies that that fx minus gx is a constant, and this implies that fx is equal to gx plus constant. Now the question is, if it is a minus, that is true for, because when we multiply constant, minus 1 is also a number, that is a constant. When we multiply constant with the constant, or we add a constant with another constant, the result will be a new constant. That will be not a same constant, but that will be also a constant, that will be not a variable. So when we multiply constant with minus 1, that will be also a constant number. So that's why अगर यहाँ हम प्लस भी ले लेते हैं, तो even if I consider that is plus, then that will be a plus minus. Yes, you are right. if you write in this way, no. Okay, I think now it's okay. So if you are interested to take a plus, then that will be a minus, because multiplying with the constant is also a constant.